Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the first Descendant lag or FPS drop issue. So first thing you can do is search for view network connections right over here. Click on open, and then whatever you're connected to, whether it be Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right click on that and then go to properties. And you see the fourth option, Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it. And then maybe you're clicked on this one, you need to click on use the following server and type in 8.8.8.8, and below you want to type in 8.8.4.4 and then press OK. OK one more time. Next thing you want to do is device manager, go to open and then double click on display adapters and then right click on your GPU, and then click on update driver and then search automatically for drivers. As you can see, it says it has been already installed. Next thing, search for task manager like so, open it up. From there, go to startup apps. Make sure anything that is like not necessary, like Steam launcher or Epic Games launcher, Discord, anything that can take up your space, you want to just right click on that and then click on disable. And then also in processes or like details, make sure nothing unnecessary is being run. If so, then just right click and then end process, but do not end anything that is run by either the local system or like by Microsoft, otherwise your device may end up crashing. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.